Hello, guys. This is Stew Shah. I know it's been a while, but it's all good. I try to, give you a taste of herbs and spices I kept in my kitchen when I started out on YouTube. But I wanted to give you a taste of where I am now. It's a whole advancement, since culinary school. So this is what I use for cooking now. And this is pretty much the source of some of the inspirations, in creating recipes. So enjoy and just to give you a taste. Hopefully this inspires you to try at least some herbs and spices you probably haven't tried before. But enjoy. Ciao, ciao.